Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make a chili cutter machine. So let's get started. First I take a little container, take a 9-volt DC motor, then take a switch. I don't know this thing is called, but as you can see it is for mounting the motor top. You can use bottle's cap instead if you want. Then I took a blade and a USB cable. After then apply glue gun to the upper part of the motor and attach it to the upper part of the container. Then I took the switch. I will put the glue of the glue gun under it and put it on the container. Then I took the blade and opened it from the packet. Then cut it in half along the middle. Then cut it above and below. Then I will put the glue on it and attach the blade here. After that, I will put glue in the middle and connect it to the motor. Then I attach the lid to the container. Then I took the USB cable and connected one wire to the motor wire. Then I will connect another wire of the cable to the switch and another wire of the motor will be connected to the switch. Then I took an adapter. I will connected the cable to it. Then connected it to current. Now it can be used. Now I take the chilies and put them in the machine. You see, it is cutting very nicely. Subscribe the channel, get more videos. Thanks for watching.